Hello, how are you? So this video is part 2. First part was about airbrush foundation and working with airbrush, and this video is about this beautiful eye makeup, this girly eye makeup with pink colors and glitters. And also I will be working with this affordable eye palette, and I will show you some swatches, and I will do the makeup using this palette and not just this, something else as well. So keep on watching, and if you will like this video, please like it and subscribe and press the notification button so you don't miss my next videos. So at first I will be starting with concealer, then I will go to a primer, eyeshadow primer, and then to eyeshadow actually. But as a primer I will use lipstick. You will see how to use lipstick instead of the primer and how it works. It really works great. It gives really good coverage. It gives really great payoff as it's a lipstick, so it's pigmented already, and also it's really long lasting, so you can be 100% to 100% sure that it's gonna last as long as you need it to last. I'm applying my concealer with a finger on the lid and around the eye area. Because I want to blend everything nicely into the skin. So I want to make sure that everything is covered. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark, with you between my arms. I already have concealer on, and as a primer for my eyeshadow I will be using almost fell down. I will be using Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick. It's kind of a pinky peachish color, and the name of it is Dusty Rose. It's a nice color and I like it for lips, and I will be using it for my eyes as well. So I need to take really little amount. I'm taking it on my hand like this, and I will take it from my hand with a brush, with this kind of a brush. You can see it's already pinky because it's really difficult to remove pink colors from the brush. And I took just a little bit, and now I'm applying it all over my lid, starting always at the lash line and moving a little bit higher and higher. On the crease, I'm just blending it, trying to keep it as soft as possible. The fluffier your brush is, the easier will be to blend. Try not to apply too much. Try to keep it as soft, as natural as it possible. Something like that. Next step will be eyeshadow, and as I promised, I will be using really affordable eyeshadow palette, and just wanna try it first time with you and see how it works and what is the color payoff. I just want to show you something different and try maybe not just really high-end and expensive brands work for makeup, and we can use just something really affordable. And this palette really looks like Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, more than Renaissance. The colors are really similar. They have the same brush. I would say the brush is completely the same, because they always put cheap brush into the palettes, even expensive brands. And as we can see, we have pinkish colors, we have matte, we have neutral shades, and we have some shimmers. Actually really nice affordable palette, and now we're gonna try those pinky ones and see how they work. But first I want to swatch those colors that I will be using, and first will be probably this color. It has no name. It's really smooth and soft. I have to say it feels really nice. So let's try it. It's not really pigmented, but this color is transitional, so I think it can be used. Let's try another one. What's this one? So I swatched a few times to see the actual color. Let's try another one. It's not bad, I have to say, was this color. So I'm taking fluffy brush, and I will be using first color that I used, this one. I will be using it on my crease. This will be my transitional color. You cannot see really big difference, right? Because I already have like intense base. I love that this palette looks like my top and my ears. So next color, next shade will be this one. I can see myself. I'm starting in outer corner, and I will be moving on the crease, creating like a bird or V shape. So for this palette, what can I say? It's not crazy pigmented, but the texture is soft and nice, and it's really easy to apply, and it doesn't fall a lot. Of course, you can say, yeah, it doesn't fall because the colors are not so like difficult, like black or blue or purple, but still some palettes, like even like Anastasia, they fall a lot. They're very dusty, and I don't say that it's really bad. It doesn't bother me at all, I would say. I know how to work with this kind of situation, but I prefer actually to have more pigmented and dusty eyeshadow than less pigmented. And I'm moving to my favorite Anastasia, and I will be using this one to outer corners of my eyes to give it more dimension. Now I'm taking smaller brush and working in the outer corner of my eye, keeping the same shape of a V. As a next step, I will be using this pretty rose pink color from Soft Glam palette. I will apply it with my finger exactly on the lid. I'll help myself with the brush. Repeat on the bottom lash line. From the same Soft Glam palette, I'm taking color Fairy, which is gold, and I'm applying it in the inner corner and blending a little bit into the rose pink that I applied before. I will repeat the same on my bottom lash line. After I finish with my eyeshadows, I will apply some glitter on top of the shimmery color on my lid on top and bottom, and I will be using Diamond Crushers by Lime Crime. Let's move forward and emphasize my eyes with black pencil. Just a tiny bit of a black color would never hurt. It will just emphasize and give more power to the makeup that you have already. First of all, I'm adding black to the bottom lash line, and then I'm creating like a really soft eyeliner on top in the outer corner and pulling it a little bit to the side. Okay, as we finished with my eyes, let's do the brows. And for brows, I'm gonna be using a pencil as I usually do, because I think that my eyebrows are really thin to use just a gel, and I don't like to use pomades or something really heavy on my eyebrows, so I will do it with a pencil. I'm starting to work in with my eyebrows on the arch and feeling the big gap that I have there to make my eyebrow more horizontal and thick, and then I will move forward to the beginning of my eyebrow. If you will work with a pencil, make sure to keep it really sharp to have your eyebrow as natural as you can, so you will be able to draw little strokes with the pencil. Make sure to keep it natural, especially in the beginning of the brow. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this eye makeup tutorial, and I hope you learned something new and find out some new products. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will try to do more and more interesting videos for you, and I'm trying to give you something that is coming from my experience. Also, I'm going to do tutorials not just on myself, on the models as well. So thank you again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions regarding this makeup or any other questions regarding makeup in general, feel free to comment down below. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.